Hello nail beauties. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Flash Cure from Profiles Backstage. So this is a game changer, and I seen this on V Nailed It and I was so blown away. And this is just such an amazing tool. Everybody knows that we have the Flash Cure lights. I have them in a couple different colors and I really like this purple. So basically it has the battery holder inside, and all you need to do is just insert 3 AAA batteries like I'm doing right here. And then you just click the back and there you go. So as I said, a lot of us have these and they're great, but what makes this different is it comes with these little rubber stamper heads. They're custom fit for the actual light. So these come in really handy if you need to adhere dry flowers or big glitter chunks, or if you want to do a design and then press it on like it's stamping. This is a game changer and is just something I totally needed in my collection. So as you can see, it just makes the item flush to the nail. Also check out their lines of body lotion and hand lotions. This is in Fruitcake, and this is their original scent non-greasy velvet oil. It's amazing and looks beautiful on your desk. And this is just a little unboxing from Kiara Sky. I really needed a ball bit. I lost my other one, and seriously, it was the first time I've ever lost a bit. So I just sucked it up and got another one. Look at those packing peanuts, super cute. So I decided to try the Sea Glass collection. This one is Sea Gem, a real pretty green. And then the other one I purchased was Berry Bomb. It's such a gorgeous color. And then last but not least, my ball bit that I missed so much. And there he is, brand new, all nice and sparkly. So I have my Kiara Sky in a number 14. I'm sorry, it just did not focus. And we are going to swatch the 2 Sea Gem colors.